¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel? ¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel? Cardo o ceniza, ¿cómo será? Si he de fundir mi espacio frente a tu cuerpo, ¿cómo será tu cuerpo al recorrerme? Y cómo mi corazón si estoy de muerte, mi corazón si estoy de muerte. Se quebrará mi voz cuando se apague, de no poder hablarte en el oído. Se quemará mi salvaje, pero hace queme si me besas, pero hace queme si me besas. ¿Cómo será el gemido? Como el grito. Y al escapar mi vida entre la tuya y como el letargo al que me entregue cuando adormezca el sueño entre tus sueños. Han de ser breves mis siestas, mis esteros despiertan con tus ríos, pero ¿cómo serán mis despertares? Pero ¿cómo serán mis despertares? Cada vez que despierte avergonzada, cada vez que despierte avergonzada. Tanto amor y avergonzada, tanto amor, tanto amor y avergonzada, y avergonzada.
Sick, feeling sicker than you know. Killed a bird without a stone. Talk the talk to throw a bone.
Let's see if she drafts good. What we're supposed to do.
Sleeping last night.
I can tell you that, 'cause she's pulling right in there, which is always a good sign.
Curiosity, the Cadillac you see, stranded on the corner.
Good. See,
don't see anything yet.
That's a good sign so far.
Where'd we get this stuff?
It's free from Bailey's Jungle lady who did a job for her moving out her estate for her mother who passed away. I want to say it was November of 2023. Earlier this year, we got a phone call from her. I recalled who she was, but I didn't know what the phone call was for. She said, "Hey, you did a job for us." She told me about the stove and then said it was free. If we wanted to come get it. There you go. There it is. And it's drafted real well, guys. Check this out, boys. Looks like we did what we were supposed to do. You see how well it's drafting? That's a lot different than the other one we had, right? Because the door was broken. And you could...
Misery and nothing's like it used to be, cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet.
I have the bottles that were similar.
Like a kid just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget.